Notion users are actually paying real money for digital templates. Yes, people are dropping cash just for a smarter way to organize their lives online. If you're looking for a side hustle that's low effort, fully digital, and has the power to earn while you sleep, listen up. This could be the move that changes everything for you. Let's break it down. First, think of something people want to organize or track. Maybe a goal planner for New Year's resolutions, a content calendar for busy creators, or a habit tracker for anyone trying to build better routines. You don't need to be a coding genius or a productivity guru. Just open up Notion and start building. It's as simple as arranging pages, adding tables, creating checklists, and making it look clean and user-friendly. Spend a little extra time on design and colors because people pay for templates that are both practical and visually appealing. Once your template is ready, it's time to sell. Go to Gumroad or Etsy, set up a digital product listing, and upload your template file. Write a short, catchy description that highlights exactly what your template helps people achieve. On Gumroad, you set your own price and keep most of the sale. On Etsy, you get access to a marketplace full of buyers already looking for creative ways to get organized. Either way, you only have to make your template once, and it's ready to sell again and again. No inventory, no shipping, no stress. But here's the key: promotion. Don't just list your template and hope for sales. Get the word out. Share your Notion templates on Reddit and Productivity or Notion subreddits. Post eye-catching clips on TikTok showing how your template works. Or make pin-worthy graphics for Pinterest with links to your shop. Use trending hashtags and show real-life examples of your template, making someone's day easier or helping them reach their goals. The more places you share, the more potential buyers see your work. The best part? Once your template starts selling, you can make money every single day, even while you're sleeping or out with friends. Build it once and let your digital product do the heavy lifting. Smart design equals smart money. Want more digital side hustles and passive income plays that anyone can start? Follow for the next big idea that could change your financial game.